In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Telegram theme color. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like. Now, the first step you need to do is to go to those three lines on your top left corner, tap on them. Then go to settings. Then scroll down a little bit. Then under settings, you are going to see chat settings. Tap on it. Then it will land you here. So you are going to see color theme. You can select the theme that you want. You can just swipe in order to see the one that you prefer. I'm going to select this. Then once you have selected the theme, you can also edit the theme. You can tap on those three dots on your top right corner. Then edit color. Then now here you can choose, this is the wallpaper. As you can see at the top there, it is the wallpaper which has been chosen. So you can edit the color of your background. You can slide this side. Then you can also change the color the way that you want it to appear. Then once you have set for the wallpaper, you can just tap on the wallpaper again. Then tap on my messages. Now in order to turn the color or to edit the color of the messages, you will just toggle these colors here. Then I see this one is good. I'm just going to leave it there. Then again you will tap on my messages at the top. Then accent color, you can tap on it. Then you can change the accent color. So you will just slide to the color which you prefer. Then you can increase the intensity, or you can reduce if you like. So I'm going to increase it and I'm going to leave it at that. Then once you've done that, you just tap on save at the top corner. So that's simply it. That's how to turn Telegram theme color. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next one.